Well, welcome back to the Dynodaze channel. As you can see, a dirty but black FN2 Honda Civic Type R in the house. Today our Jensen has fitted a 4-to-1 manifold and a Tegiwa induction kit, and now it's time to plug in with the Ecutek software and make some power. So here we go.
Okay, well, we start with Happy New Year from myself and Richard.
Happy New Year.
Jensen's in there somewhere as well, and Keith's over there somewhere. But Happy New Year from the team. First map of the year is this one.
Not to say we haven't been doing any work though.
No, I know.
Since New Year. Just explain. Obviously, it's now the 10th of January as we're sitting in this car today. We have been extremely busy. We were flat out busy up till Christmas, but it wasn't what I would class as our normal work. We had a little bit of a lull last year in the paint shop. So what I very sillily did, and I thought I was being clever at the time, was stacked a load of jobs up that I thought, well, they'll be like, say, like a bit of welding, or it'll want a bit of work, and then that'll go in the paint shop. So I stacked a load of jobs along those lines.
How'd that go for you, Rich?
Badly is how that went. So basically, I took an R33 Skyline on that was a bit of rust repair, and then it was going to the paint shop to get painted. I thought, great, I'll get that sorted out. I'll whip that in between jobs, it'll be fine. Yeah, when I was 100 hours in on that car, I was like, yeah, that was way more work than I thought it was going to be. Ended up all the rear mechanicals out of it. Inner and outer sills, inner and outer arches. I put a quarter panel on one side. We actually managed to find a quarter panel.
It's a big bit of car, that.
Yeah, massive, like a third of the car. Yeah, it turned into a monster job. So anyway, we were doing that like right up till Christmas, and then we came in between Christmas and New Year, which we weren't going to do, and carried on with it to get it done. So it didn't basically affect this year's work, and then hit the ground running with Dazars this week, and then this one to finish off the end of the week.
Lewis's.
And Lewis's, we've been working on a Civic Coupe as well, getting that all stripped down. We did paint work on that last year. We are now painting or stripping the car to paint the engine bay and do a case swap on it. So we're sort of in parts towards that. So there's a lot going on, and we are making videos of things, but it's just that this is the first one that's going to go out for the year, and it happens to be 10 days into the year.
We've still got an S2000 here that all the parts have arrived from America now, so that'll be some YouTube content.
That's the turbo build coming up. We've got an
great.
MB6 for a K20 swap that's also coming. So there's a lot going on. There's sort of at least 4 big projects on the go right now that videos are in various stages, shall we say.
It's 2025, and the New Year's resolution is to eat a little bit better, try not to stress out too much, and get some work done. But the work has been done. Like I said, this FN2 Honda Civic has been mapped. It's got some basic mods. It's got a Tegiwa induction kit on it. It's got a Japspeed 4-to-1 and a Tegiwa 70mm, and it's made 223 brake horsepower as we finished on today.
I think that's really good for the mods. 220, 225 is exactly where I expect it to be.
It's got a dollop of power in the mid-range, as you'd expect if you've been watching our videos. Yeah, happy with that. I think he's a lovely young lad. I've been speaking to him all day today, keeping him company in the office. Yeah, great car, and we'll see it again for more mods, no doubt.
I'm sure we will.
Look at the graph.
Let's have a look at that graph.
Let's look at the graph.
So say it with me, guys. Red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves, and we're finishing on 223 brake horsepower, up 10 wheel horsepower in total, which is great. Like I say, our Jensen fitted this induction kit and a 4-to-1 today. So yeah, it's been a good day. It's been a long day, but we've enjoyed it, and we look forward to doing even more of these FN2s this year. So if you've got an FN2 and you've got any questions, feel free to get in touch. You could email us, you could WhatsApp us, you can pick up the phone and be old school if you want, or drop us a message on Facebook. But either way, I've still got my FN2, so I'm really happy to talk about FN2s all day long. Yeah, get in touch, and we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich? Rich? Yeah, we'll see you on the next one.
I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.